You are all set to clean your home, but your Tineco mop vacuum isn't charging. It's just sitting there, dead. It's not just you. This issue is surprisingly common. It can be caused by anything from dirty charging contacts and a faulty adapter to a worn-out battery. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your Tineco isn't charging and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Reason number 1. Incorrect placement on charging base. If your Tineco isn't seated properly on the dock, it won't charge. Even a slight misalignment can cause the contacts to miss each other. The fix is simple. Pick the vacuum up and place it back down slowly. Make sure it sits flush against the dock. Look for a charging light or listen for a confirmation beep. If there's no sound or light, it's likely still not aligned right. Try adjusting it again until you're sure it's firmly in place. Reason number 2. Dirty or oxidized charging contacts. If the contacts on either the vacuum or dock are dirty, electricity can't flow properly. Dust, grime, or even slight corrosion can block the connection. To fix this, unplug everything. Then grab a soft cloth or an alcohol pad and clean the metal contacts on both the dock and the vacuum. Wipe gently but thoroughly. Wait a few minutes for the alcohol to dry completely. Plug it back in and try charging again. Cleaning the contacts every few weeks helps prevent this from happening in the future. Reason number 3. Overheating protection. If your vacuum just finished a long cleaning session, the battery may be too hot to charge. Tineco has a built-in safety system that blocks charging when the battery is overheated. To fix this, all you have to do is give it time. Unplug the charger and let the vacuum sit for at least 1 hour. Once it cools down, plug the charger back in and place the vacuum on the dock. Charging should resume normally. Avoid charging immediately after heavy use next time. Reason number 4. Faulty charger or battery. If the vacuum still won't charge, the battery might be the issue. It could be deeply discharged or nearing the end of its life. Another possibility is a bad charger. To fix this, remove the battery and insert it again to make sure it's fitted properly. Then leave the vacuum on the dock for a few hours. If it still doesn't charge, try the lift on or of method that many users swear by. Pick the vacuum off the dock and place it back down every time it stops charging. Repeat this process 10 to 30 times. If the battery slowly hits 3 to 8%, it should begin charging normally from there. Check your charger too. Look for frayed wires or loose plugs. If you have a multimeter, test its output. Always use the official Tineco charger. If the charger is faulty, replace it. Reason number 5. Faulty power outlet. Sometimes the problem isn't in the vacuum or charger, it's in the outlet. A faulty power source means no charging, no matter what else you try. To fix this, start by testing the wall outlet. Plug in a different device like a phone charger to see if it works. If it doesn't, move to another outlet. If the new outlet works, you got your culprit. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Tineco customer support. Make sure to include your serial number, proof of purchase, and list the steps you've already tried. That helps them assist you faster. Before we wrap up, here are some useful maintenance tips to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Clean your vacuum regularly. Wipe down the body, filters, and brush head every month. Inspect and clean the charging contacts with a dry or alcohol-dampened cloth. Store your vacuum in a cool, dry place after every use. And replace the battery if it starts losing power quickly or stops charging altogether. Which trick worked for your Tineco vacuum? Tell me in the comments below. And for another useful cleaning guide, watch this video next.